what were you asking me about the?
Yeah, to download the Spanish translation.
Oh,
of the
yeah.
Yeah.
So this was something I saw was a recent upgrade to REDCap. So let's just say, let me get into here.
PHA survey.
All right. So if I am here and I export, these are, that's not what I want. The PDF. I'm not sure. Would have thought that was here. Oh, so what about let me go to a record here, see what shows up here. So PHA survey. Is there an option? Oh, here, option. Okay. So if they did this in Spanish,
Yeah, we don't have that.
so goodness. All right, it's in Spanish. Let me go here and open the survey.
Oh, because of the unique thing.
That's all right. Okay, so I went to Spanish, and these are all tests, right?
Yeah, this is all test. We're still in test mode.
All right, so I'm just going to say,
And it's like mainly more so one for IRB with like Spanish translations, and like I've manually copied our translations, but if there's a way to just download the survey itself from REDCap with the translations.
right. So let's why all these things have to be highlighted. So there you go. This is what you want, right?
Yeah.
So you're going to download it as it would show up on the browser survey.
Okay.
Well, that was interesting because I haven't even tried that before.